morning. My name is Linda Greene. I am a retired high school home economics teacher and want to tell you today about the light bright strip that I bought from MadamSew. I was extremely frustrated because the machine that I use every day for my regular sewing is a Bernina and the light would not stay on. I take it to the repair shop several times and they still couldn't fix the problem. So I mounted the light strip underneath the head of the machine, and it has provided wonderful lighting for me at this point. You can see that my area of sewing is very well lit. There are no spots that are difficult to see, and that I really have a very good space that is illuminated. And I mounted the strip under the arm of the machine, down actually under the sewing area and up onto the other side, so it was really quite long. While I was ordering my Sew Bright strip, I ordered 2 of them, so I have an extra one in my cabinet just in case I decide that I want to put one on another machine. I even thought that it might be a good idea to try it under the counter in the kitchen. So if you're hesitating at all, give the Sew Bright sewing machine light strip a try from MadamSew, and I think you'll really be pleased with that purchase.